guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club to show you for March. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, March 2024 Manifestation and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design just arrived. These were sent to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, you know I absolutely love this jewelry, crystal jewelry subscription. I totally love seeing what we get every single month, all of the different things, and I can never choose between these two which one I like. And I always show you this one first. So this time, let's flip it and reverse it. Let's show you the Mother Earth Wrap Club first. So down inside of this one, you will get the Mother Earth Wrap bracelet, and you will get one little gift to go in with it. And that's basically what this one is all about, mainly just for the wrap bracelet. But then you get a little gift item in here as well that could be anything and everything under the sun, but you get a little mystery item with this one, which I think is super neat. So down inside, this is how it comes. You have your wrap bracelet here, and this is going to be our little gift for this month. You always have a handwritten card right on top, and then here's some more information to show you some of the other wrap bracelets. You can, however, purchase any of their individual items individually on their website. You can use my code, which is SheCrafty, to save you 20% off the subscription or the online shop. So if you don't want to go to a monthly subscription, you want to just purchase some of the jewelry, you can definitely purchase all of their stuff. They have bracelets, they have necklaces, anklets, they have crystals, keychains. They have so much stuff in so many different crystals and colors, and just like there's so much you can find on their online shop. You can definitely check them out, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off. So let's go ahead and dive into the wrap bracelet for this month. They always come in their boxes with their logo. You can always store your stuff inside of here if you would like. You always get these cards with all of their jewelry, all of their stones, and then it gives you more information about each one. So in this one, it looks like we have a lava stone and a black agate. So we have two different ones that's going to be on the wrap bracelet. Let me show you what it is, and then we'll learn what they are. Ooh, so it is all black. So the whole entire wrap is out of the lava stones, and then this one here, this little shiny one, is the black agate. Look at how beautiful though. That is so pretty. Plus this will go with anything because it is all black. Now I believe we have received, I don't think I've received a wrap in the lava, but I have received the standard, because there's two, the standard bracelet with the lava beads. So I know I do have the standard, so that's cool now to have the wrap bracelet as well. Again, so here's what it looks like. And then let me get this one on. So that is what it looks like right there. Now, when you do sign up for either one of these, you get to tell them the length of your, or the size of your wrist, so they know what size to make your bracelet. So it's made custom for you, and I love that. So here is the wrap bracelet. So for the lava stone, which is the main one that goes around the entire bracelet, lava stone is excellent for calming emotions thanks to its grounding qualities. Formed from cooling magma, lava is thought to symbolize rebirth and aid in releasing emotional baggage. These stones are great accessories for aromatherapy since they hold essential oils for up to 8 hours. Wow. So that's the lava bead, and then the little dangle is the black agate. Can wipe away negativity and can give you the strength to overcome your own hurdles. It grants protection and ongoing support to get you through the tough times. Ultimately, though, it complements your own strength and willpower. Black agate is like a teacher and a guardian. It does some heavy lifting while also giving you the tools you need to stand on your own 2 feet. Awesome. And again, I love these cards. You can always go back to them as a reference. There's always a photo. So if you don't know what it is, you can kind of match it up with what you have and then learn about it. And they're very, very easy to read and understand. So I mean, some words I might not understand, but for the most part, they're all easy for me to read and understand. And that says a lot. So there is that. Then what we have in here, it says Healthy Chicks Sparkle Your Bliss Deck. It says 36 practical affirmations to set your soul on fire. How to use: shuffle the cards, pull one when ready, allow the message to serve as an inspiration for the day or for the week. Write out your thoughts using the journal prompts. Spread the love by gifting one to a friend or a stranger. Let the sparks begin to fly. So we'll have them all out. So like this first one right here, this is how it looks. And then it says, I am living in the flow and my life is unfolding just beautifully. And then it says, supporting actions, listen to the signs, soak up the moonlight, let go, journal it out. What sign continues to show up in your life and what could they mean for you? So yeah, it gives you something to do. Like each one is all different. Each one is completely different. So you can go through, shuffle them out, pull one out as your own intention, and do what it says for the day or for the week. So there you go. You have this little set here, which that is super cool. And that is then everything for the March Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have your free gift and your wrap bracelet. Now let's go ahead and go into the manifestation box for March. This one here is a little bit different. You do still, like I said, tell them your wrist size for the bracelet, but there's also a necklace. You get to tell them the length of the necklace that you would prefer. Then there's also a paper in here that'll go over what we are learning for the month, like what the intention is for the month, what we're going to be working with. There's also meditation cards. There's 2 of them, one for you to keep and one for you to gift. And then there's also a healing crystal in this one and your astrology. So you tell them your zodiac sign when you check out as well, and you will have your actual astrology down inside of this one as well. So they're completely different between not just the crystal, but the stuff inside of them as well. So manifestation box, you have the handwritten card on top as well. You have the tissue paper with a cute little sticker. This one is a little cactus this time. When we open this one up, you have your, I'm assuming that's going to be the necklace, the bracelet, and the healing crystal are going to be down inside of here. So let's remove those. And then you have all of this paperwork that is in the back. With the paperwork, here are the 2 different meditation cards. Again, one for you to keep and one for you to gift. The greatest wealth is health. Yes, it is. So you do have 2 of those. Then what we will be working with for the month is the Tree of Life, cultivating the mind-body connection for holistic well-being. And you have this whole thing here that you can read. So that's what we're working with for the month of March. And then March 2024 astrology for Scorpio, because that is my sign. I am a Scorpio. So you will have it all tailored for your own zodiac sign for your own box. So here is my Scorpio sign. Then there's also a card that goes over a little bit more information, shows some more of their jewelry. And again, you can find them all individually on their website as well. So let's go ahead and dive in to, let's go with the necklace first. I almost said the bracelet. Let's go with the necklace first. It always comes down in their box with their logo. Same thing, you can store your jewelry in here and keep it nice and protected. So down inside of this one, we have, ooh, whoa, okay. That is completely different than what I'm used to seeing. It says Tree of Life and Obsidian are the 2 things that we're going to be working with on the necklace. And then the necklace itself, hold on, it has all these little things from the tissue, like, or the cotton from inside the box is all, it's all stuck in there. Okay. So look at how shiny. This reminds me of like the wrap bracelet, all nice and shiny. And then it has this Tree of Life here. I'm not too fond of like the coppery color. So I don't know if I will wear this or if I will gift this to somebody else. Or let me see here. Hold on. If I were to take this off, can I use this as a wrap bracelet instead? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. It's a little bit bigger than like the other one that I have. If you can see, like, it's because it was a longer because of the necklace. but I could use that as a wrap and have it all nice and shiny. If I wanted to do that, that's probably how I will wear this, just because, like I said, I'm not too hip on like the coppery colors. So this little necklace part, I probably won't wear, at least not too much of anyways. So let me put it back on just so I can put it around my neck to show you how it's supposed to look as a necklace. And again, you do tell them the length of the necklace that you would prefer. My other necklace, let me tuck that in. And there's that big guy. It's kind of big. It looks like it should go like hanging from my rearview mirror. But there is that for the Tree of Life. It says, if you observe the Tree of Life symbol, you'll see the way that the deep roots fan out in all directions, while at the same place, the branches reach skyward in the same pattern. This symbolizes the way that you and all living beings are connected to both Mother Earth and to the universe. So it's saying like the roots and all the leaves, they spread up and down, and yeah, so you be for the Mother Earth and to the universe. Then the black, I guess that is, I'm not sure if this is the black obsidian and this is obsidian as well, but this is nice and shiny and this is not shiny. But for the black obsidian, says black obsidian is a very protective stone. It is said to form a shield against negativity and to absorb negative energies from the environment. Obsidian is formed when volcanic lava comes into contact with water that forces it to cool so quickly that it doesn't have time to crystallize, resulting in a stone with a shiny, glassy texture. Well, that's kind of cool though, because it's from lava, and then the other one, you do have your lava beads. You know what I mean? That was actually really cool. So that is the two different cards that come with this necklace. Now let's go ahead and dive into here. You are going to have the bracelet and the healing crystal for this month, and there's a whole lot of cards in here. Okay, so here is the healing crystal for this month. It must be the glow in the dark calcite. So this must glow in the dark, you guys. And that is what the card looks like. So for this one, it says, focus on calcite when you want to absorb the positive lessons from your life experiences. It helps you get rid of those energies which no longer serve you. A stone of abundance, both in the physical and metaphysical realms. Calcite reminds you that there is so much more to your world than your small bubble. Live life colorfully with the array of calcite gemstones. That is really cool. I don't think we've ever got anything that glows in the dark. So that is super, super neat. Oh my gosh. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. You can't really see in there because of my light. Oh, can you see in there? I can see that it's glowing. So that is awesome. So there is the healing crystal for this month. That's super cool. And then for the bracelet, there's 4 different cards going on. So there's 4 different things going on this one bracelet. Well, that's a whole lot of stuff going on in one. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if there's a reason why this one like coppery looking one is over here all by itself, and then there's 3 others over here. It just looks a little in here. I have to have things kind of look a certain way, and that just doesn't match to me. Like, to me, that doesn't match. If I did it, I would have did the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then did the 5 lava beads, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4 with the coppery color. I don't know if there's a reason for that, if it means something, but that's the way that it comes. Looks just like that. So these right here, these 5 in the middle are the lava stone. So that's the same thing that I read when I told you about the wrap bracelet. Then it says there's smoky quartz. Okay, so these 4 right here are going to be smoky quartz. This one says smoky quartz is excellent for elevating moods, overcoming negative emotions, and relieving depression. Smoky quartz relieves stress, fear, jealousy, anger, and other negative emotions by transforming them into positive energies. That sounds actually really good to be wearing. Then there is the Rose Himolite. I guess that would be these four, the three here, and then the one way over here that I'm calling like a coppery color. I guess that is a Rose Himolite. I'm not sure how you say that. For that one, this is how it looks for the card. And it says, it is a powerful stone that may help with shyness, self-esteem, and survival, as well as increasing willpower and dependability and instilling confidence. Himolite is loaded with metaphysical benefits that leave you feeling balanced and harmonious. It heals its user of self-doubt and feelings of worthlessness, and it offers a constant feeling of balance. So far, all of these together sound like a great combination. And then you have the black agate. So that, again, that's the same as we had on here, the little dangle. And that would be all of these, like, these to have like the different shape to them, which is super neat. So all these back here would be the black agate. So you have a whole lot going on here. I just don't know why this one is over here and not with the others. That's the only thing doesn't make sense in my head. It doesn't make sense in there. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks right like that, or is it just me? Is it just me? It can't just be me. It might just be me, but I just think that looks weird being way over there. But let me know, does that look odd to you, or is it just me? Let me know. So there are the 4 different cards for this one bracelet right there, you guys. Let me take this one off and let me put this one on. Yeah, I'm still gonna say that. It just looks, I don't get that. But there is the bracelet. So now that is everything for the manifestation box. You have this bracelet, you have the necklace, you have the healing crystal, you have your astrology, what we're working with for the month, and the meditation cards. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for both of the boxes for March for me to show you. What did you think of the Mother Earth Wrap Club versus the manifestation box? Definitely let me know. Is it me? Just let me know. Is that me? Do you feel the same way? I don't know. It just, to me still, it just looks a little odd with one just like hanging over here. I don't know. Let me know. Which one did you like better? What do you think of all the crystals? This one has 4 different crystals in it. Are any of them your favorite? But they all sound like a great combination to be wearing on your body. That's amazing. So if you would like a little bit more information about this box and the different pricing between the two, I will let you know right about now. I put my other bracelet back on so I don't lose it. Again, SheCrafty will give you 20% off the subscription boxes or their online shop. If you would like to do the manifestation box, so everything, all your zodiac sign, the bracelet, the necklace, that whole little setup right there, month to month is $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And then a 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per box. If you would like to do the wrap bracelet where you get just the wrap bracelet and then a small mystery gift in with it, that one is the same pricing. Month to month is $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. The 6-month plan will bring it down to $34, and the full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per box. The owner actually does donate as well. So shopping either the subscription or the online shop, we're all helping each other to give back as well. And I absolutely love that. I love when companies donate because then again, we're all helping each other for that cause, that reason, that kind of thing. So that's amazing. So if you like to check them out, they will be all linked down below. SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. If you would like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. So if one comes up and you're not interested in, pass it until you see one that you do. That simple. So that is now everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.